Welcome to the first grade reading intervention Google Classroom page for Mrs. Todd. I so enjoy working with your students throughout the school year back in the classroom, but now this is the way that I will be communicating some learning at home that your child can continue to participate in order to continue to strengthen their reading skills while at home. Please check this Google Classroom page at least twice a week, where you will first come to this stream screen where it will be filled with the latest updates and announcements. For now, you will see that there is a Zoom link where I am available daily, Monday through Thursday, 11 to noon, where students will have the opportunity to see me and engage in learning opportunities, sometimes just visiting with some sort of a learning objective, in addition to maybe reading aloud or gaining extra reading support. You will also notice that my email address is on the page where you can contact me at any time with any questions or concerns or additional support. Once you've read through the announcements on this first stream page, I encourage you to go back to the top of the page where you will see the classword link. Clicking on the classwork will bring you to a page where the assignments will be updated at least twice a week so your child can access them for 30 minutes at a time. I highly encourage your child to begin at the top and work their way down. Clicking on this little clipboard will bring up the assignment. I have included a short direction that would be supported by you for your child. Once the child knows the directions, they can then click on the assignment and complete the task independently. Working from the top to the bottom will allow them to gain a full reading experience, working with phonemic awareness, and then moving to phonics, where they actually look at letters and words and end up reading stories and short passages. Please click this Google Classroom weekly in order to gain the assignments for your child to continue in their reading growth. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach me by email.